Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Claire Manning Craft. So I am the artist and designer behind Thirsty Brush & Co, who supply stencils, beautiful stamps and dies, lots of hand-drawn images, modern images, and something a little bit different and fresh, so you can create beautiful cards and follow all the techniques that we practice at home. So my channel here is simply to inspire you and get you crafting, either to improve the crafting that you do. Maybe you want to learn new techniques and try something a little bit different. Subscribe below and hit the notification button, and then you will be able to get all the videos as soon as I upload them. I do multiple videos every week, and they can range from a quick little tutorial on making a simple card, right through to maybe some watercolouring techniques, embossing techniques, die cutting, stamping, everything you can think of to do with paper craft and card making. So I can't wait to see you there. Do leave me some comments and let me know what you'd like to see. Take care, and I'll see you next time.